I know I always wanted a kid, and to have a boy is just like the best thing ever. So it wasn't hard for me. It wasn't like life changing, and it was life changing in a positive way, but it wasn't like, oh man, my life's changing. Like it wasn't like that, and it don't feel like that. I feel like my life is literally the same. I just have like a baby that I can come home to that's very, very innocent and, you know, just love me for me. So it's just nothing but positivity that come from it. But I was excited, honestly.
Bro, what is the point of living if you don't have a kid? Like, you're literally doing it to like a child. It just gives you more responsibilities, bro.
Yeah. So, you wanna know what I don't like, bro? When you wake up in the morning, why are you eating a full meal? Like, why are you eating a full breakfast, bro? Like, bro, it's not that serious, bro. Wake up, get a granola bar, keep pushing, bro. Like, why are you making a full plate? All you gonna do is just go right back to sleep, bro. Damn. You got